Hey guys, welcome back to our part 5 tutorial on Seaborn. So today's lecture is going to be our categorical data plot. So as you have been doing a fabulous job, as we have already covered a major segment of plotting with our preset lectures. So till now, we have used regression techniques and majorly dealt with all possible parameters and data types. Now our concentration is going to be a little more on the categorical data. It isn't that we have not gone through categorical data till now, but you certainly remember that on multiple occasions, we were generating random numbers with custom codes. So let us begin with the background or a little bit background of what the categorical data is. So let us begin with the intuition behind categorical data. And slowly and steady with this in upcoming lectures, we shall focus more on each type of the plots that shines out for Seaborn when dealing with categorical data. So categorical features represents the type of data which may be divided into groups. Examples of categorical variables could be something like race or sex, or even educational and professional details. Well, educational variables may also be considered in a numerical manner by using exact values for highest grade complicated, say for example. It is often more informative to categorize such variables into a relatively small number of groups. That is to say, we have a small pool of available candidates or available choices for those different kind of variables, right? So say for example for sex, we have a female or a male, as a regular circumstances. And for educational, we have high school, primary school, college, or graduate school, right? So analysis of categorical data generally involves the use of data tables. A two-way table is very common and represents the categorical data by counting the number of observations that fall into each group for two variables, one divided into rows and the other one divided into columns. This shall get more evident when we start plotting. And also, it will be so nice to remember that the totals for each category are also known as marginal distributions. That provides the number of individuals in each row or column without accounting for the effects of the other variable. And since simple counts are often difficult to analyze, a two-way tables are often converted into percentage. So the best representations that we have for now for such a calculation will be a segmented bar graph, disciplining the breakdowns of features where segments of each bar are color-coded or corresponding to the appropriate variable. This is exactly what we shall be doing throughout the different styles to suit our requirements. So let us now closely looking at what Seaborn has to offer us. The structure of the plots are majorly divided into three segments, and this is what we shall cover in this as well as upcoming lectures. So the first one is the swarm plots and the strip plots that show each observations at each level of the categorical variable. The box plot and violin plots that shows an abstract representations of each distributions of observations. The bar plots and then point plots that apply statistical estimation to show a measure of central tendency and confidence interval.